People will run YouTube ads, Facebook, Google, and it won't work the first 50 times, but they'll keep going until it does work.
Yeah, they'll keep
we don't get that second chance in out of home. We're utilized, and if it doesn't work, out of home doesn't work for us, and it may take us a year, 2 years just to get back integrated into a campaign with a company. So I know that wasn't the most straight answer you asked for, but
I think you touched on a little bit of all the things we talked about today. Is that if you the reason people keep staying in YouTube or whatever it is because they have enough data points to sit there and understand where they failed and where they were successful. We don't in this space. And that comes back to the opportunity of better collaboration or better data to enhance that. When you look at a D2C brand, you've got to remember who you're talking about. You're talking about an either private equity owned or early stage VC backed company that cares the most about metrics and dollar spend. And so they use outdoor, in my opinion, to scream about who they are, create a ton of awareness, and then use other channels to optimize that moving forward. And you've seen the very large brands like a Casper and public company D2Cs that maintain just because they're big enough. But if you don't get big enough as a D2C brand, you can't keep your dollars in outdoor. You've got to move them out.